Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the CK gang. So guys, today's video is in collaboration with Klaiyi here. I know y'all see my hair. It's a lot of hair, okay? We doing like a lot. And guess what guys, this is not leave out kind of video. This is not a lace video. This is literally no hair left out, and you can't even tell that I didn't leave any hair out. This hair guys is their V-part kinky curly wig, and this is like my third V-part wig, and I'm not mad at it. I really wanted to test no leave out because every time, well, the two times that I did a V-part I left hair out, so this was my first experience with leaving it out, and I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. Even though I do prefer leave out, it's totally up to you, but today's video is something really quick, really simple. I wanted to get my hair on and out the door, okay? That's literally what I wanted to do. I didn't want to mess with my hair. I didn't want to have to do any crazy work, and here we are. My hair is done, and no part at all of my hair is left out. If y'all want to see, you know, how I achieved this, then you should definitely keep on watching. Shout outs to Klaiyi here for sponsoring this video. Y'all, so I'm starting out with my hair pulled back in a little ponytail situation. I had a silk press, but the girl, she just like needs to be washed out at this point. And yeah, there goes the box embarrassing me. I was trying to be cute and show y'all the box, but that's all right. This is what the wig came in. I got some free gifts, lashes, wig caps, and just some other free goodies. I got a silk thing to keep my wig in, and this is the wig. It has some clips on the parting space as well as in the middle, just so your wig is secure. It got combs on the side, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps, just so this is secured. And guys, this is so simple, so easy. You're gonna see all I'm doing is clipping in the combs along my part, and also in the back I did utilize all the combs, all the clips, just everything. And if you have your hair braided down, I promise you it'll be better for you. It'll hold better, especially in the middle where you have the clips. I feel like if I had two anchor braids, it would have like held better. But even if you don't have a chance to do that, you can definitely still wear this wig, because as y'all see, no braids are in my head and I'm wearing it. The only thing is it pulls on your hair just a little bit because it's just your hair and not a braid that you're sticking the comb in. But other than that, it was fine. And the wig cap wasn't big, like where it had a gapping in the back. I love this. This was a good size. This definitely is big head friendly, but not big head friendly to the point where it's just like so loose in the back. So if you have like an average size head or a little bit bigger than that, this will be perfect. I've done a few V parts before, and this is the only one that actually didn't feel very big in the back, which I love. And I'm just taking the comb and teasing the roots because I was trying to wear this wig without leaving out any hair. This was a quick grab and go kind of moment. I just wanted it to be out, okay? And I wanted to do a quick style. Before, I've done V parts with leaving hair out, but for this one I wanted to try it without leaving any hair out, and I think it works out pretty well. I do prefer leaving hair out, if I'm being honest, but for like a style where you need to be like out the door, you don't want to mess with your hair, you can definitely get away with doing it. And also, if you your hair doesn't blend with the texture of your V part, you can definitely just do this and not do a part. It's definitely a look that you can get away with. So that's what I'm just doing, teasing the roots a little bit. And for this hair, all I did was just add some water and like detangle the entire thing. To be honest, I didn't do much work because it really didn't require a lot of work. This is a kinky curly unit. If you want more defined curls, you can definitely go ahead and do your thing, girl, but I was not trying to do that. I wanted something quick. I wanted my hair done in 5 minutes, and that's exactly what I did. So that's what we're working with. I'm gonna detangle the hair. I added some water and I did add some mousse over top. Also, guys, I went in and I did cut some of the hair because I was trying to get like a layered look. I might have jacked the cut up, but it worked out. It didn't look bad, and yeah, I ended up loving how it looks. And as I said, I wasn't going for a really defined look. I just wanted the hair to be a little bit like moisturized and detangled, and then I wanted just a little mousse just so it'll like tame it a bit. If you want, you can definitely go in and have it really defined, but pretty much that's it. This wig was done in 5 minutes, like literally 5 minutes. So if you like this hair, if you're interested, then you should definitely check the description box below. You can get your hands on this wig or any other V part that they do have. But the hair was bomb. It was easy to work with, and I didn't leave any hair out. So this is me trying a V part with no hair out. Let me know your thoughts. Leave out or no leave out. You can get away with either one, even though my preferred choice is leave out. But guys, sometimes you don't want to mess with your hair. You don't want to have to deal with that. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? I love you guys. Just like keep on watching. And you know, I gotta give you a little show. Bye guys.